Hello, everyone! Today we will make another simple and beautiful paper snowflake. We need a square sheet of paper, which needs to be folded like this several times. Cut off the excess. And draw a pattern. This fun activity will cheer you up and create a New Year's atmosphere. You can come up with your own patterns and create unusual snowflakes. Now carefully cut out. Take your time so as not to tear anything or cut off the necessary thing. Carefully unfold, and wow! We got such a snowflake.